Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix, Task Manager has been disabled by your administrator. Type gpedit.msc in Windows search bar. Click gpedit.msc. Click and expand Administrative Templates. Click and expand System folder. Click and expand Control, Alt, Delete options. Double-click Remove Task Manager. Click Not Configured, Apply, OK. Now check Task Manager. Thanks for watching. I hope this video tutorial helps to solve the problem. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you next video.